70% of wealth creation happens with investor mindset. मेरा रोल केवल 30% है of giving you quality advisory. 70% of money making can be done purely by having the right mindset. This financial success is not a hard science. It's a soft skill where how you behave is more important than what you know. I'll read it again for you. It's a soft skill where how you behave is more important than what you know. So I'm going to talk to you about a concept called savings rate. Okay? दो example है. One example is where Mr. X is there who is earning 2 lakh rupees a month. उसका savings rate है 20%. तो how much is he saving? 40,000. Yes. अब मान लो कि ये बंदा जो है he is a very sort of a savvy and knowledgeable guy. So he is making about 13% annually. 13% उसका ROI है साल का. So he makes about 62.4k. 62,000, let's assume 62,000 is his savings per month. उसके सामने दूसरा बंदा है which is Y and he is having an income of about 1,20,000 but his savings rate is high. His savings rate is about 50%. तो उसका savings हो गया approximately 60,000 a month and but he is earning only 10%. तो 10% के हिसाब से he is earning more than what the knowledgeable guy is earning. So even a worst investor जिसका ROI कम है but just because his savings rate is high he is able to make more money. Okay, talk to you about Ice Age and its analogy to compounding. Okay, we've had 5 ice ages throughout. How much force it would require for the entire planet to freeze completely? Okay, इस पे एक certain scientist है which has done his research and he said that there's gravitational pull about the sun and the moon, but it's not the strong winters that created the ice age. It's actually the moderate summers that help create the ice age. एक ice age में पूरा शीट बन गया cool winter में, समर में वो पिघला ही नहीं, तो ऑलरेडी शीट था उसके ऊपर और थोड़ा ऐड हुआ and across centuries you have ice age. That same thing I'm going to talk to you with analogy is you do not need tremendous force to create tremendous results. थोड़ा अगर आपके पास एक कंपाउंडिंग प्रोडक्ट है, थोड़ा ग्रोथ उसमें एज फ्यूल ऐड करके we all can have extraordinary results. But there are about 2,000 books written on Warren Buffett. Okay, किसी ने भी शायद इस चीज को enhance नहीं किया है that this guy has made money because he has been an investor for more than 75 years in his life. He started investment when he was 11 and he's I think around 90 now. So for 3/4 of a century he's been an investor and he's got his returns at about 22% a year. मैं म्यूचुअल फंड में कितना बोलता हूँ कितना टारगेट करना चाहिए? 12 to 14 years. इस बंदे ने 22 अचीव किया है and look where he is right here. Okay, he's seen 8 recessions. अपन ने शायद एक आध देखा है और 2 शायद आएगा. But still, he still stood his time, had his faith in his investments and look where he is. One of the richest guys. Highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want. Okay. Second part is the ability to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want and how long you want is priceless. It's the highest form of dividend that money can buy. सिर्फ assets नहीं, intangible भी है and that flexibility comes when you save and you multiply and you have that wealth with you. There's always room for error. Okay, so each investment plan or a business plan must have a plan in case your original plan is not working as per plan. I'll repeat. Okay. Each plan basically हर प्लान में एक contingency होना चाहिए कि अगर मेरा actual plan नहीं चला तो मैं क्या करूँ. So we always need to have room for error. Error होने वाला we all are entrepreneurs here. We all have to have room for error. Can you keep your mind steady at that point of time? कि ठीक है एक आध गलती हो गई कोई stress नहीं है. It is bound to happen. But even if I'm getting a 6 on 10 or a 7 on 10, I'm pretty much on course with my investment journey, right? So each plan needs to have that room for error.